Hi guys, Gabe here. It's that day of the week again, and if you play Doom, you're gonna like this one. Because, I have the double fire. It's a sawed-off. Two barrels, this integrated stock, action type, it goes like this. Actually, I'll show you it. It's gonna crank down, goes into a V shape, and then load the darts, and then you put that back up. Yeah. Steel tactical rails, of course. It's got instructions on the bottom of it, in case you, for some reason, forget how to use this. It also comes with storage for 4 more darts, but I didn't bring it out. I like it raw. Anyways, we're gonna get into firing now because last time I had this, it broke during the winter. I blame the summer heat for that. So anyways, let's fire this thing. They go very far. Well, it didn't go very far, as you can see, but I'll be right back with the measurements. Alright, I am back, and you fire both barrels at the same time. I'm the longest dart from there to there, 127 feet. Who are you? Bug. Touch me in my leg and my hand. I really need to make shorts. Anyways, we're gonna fire it again, but this time firing one dart at a time instead of firing both. Oh, let me fire both. Fire one at a time. Yeah, I went a lot far for that time. I'll be right back for the measurements of that. Yep. Can you please stop buffering me? Alright, I am back, and the longest dart from here to there, when I fire one, not two, one dart at a time, it goes 33 feet. Which is 6 more than the 27 feet. So generally, it's basically very situational. If your opponent is farther away, you'd want to fire one at a time. If you're closer to you, fire both. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I have to get us inside before the sun damages even more. So bye.